Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to replace the background of your photo with only Photoshop. So the first thing you have to do, open your Photoshop here, and then you just need to slide into downside until you found this quick action. And now we can see that there is several options that you can use, and one of them is replace background. So you just need to go click this part, and now you just need to choose the picture that you want to take the object. And the next is choosing the background that you want to use, and you just need to wait until the Photoshop here is doing the work for you. So the duration will be depending on the part of the object. And then to adjust it, you just need to make sure that the part of the object is in active mode, and then you just need to drag it into the upper part. You can also resizing by pinch with two of your finger, and here you go. So that is the way how to replacing the background on a Photoshop. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.